Hi loves, what is up? So we are back today with an install video. As you guys can tell, this is a really long wig, beautifully laid, and this looks like my scalp. Okay, I know you ain't even gotta tell me. This looks so good, and y'all are about to watch me install this wig. This wig is from Wiggins Hair, and all of their information will be listed down in the comment section. Not the comment section, the description box down below. Yes, y'all, this is the look of this wig, and if y'all want to see me install this, then keep on watching. All right, so now I'm just parting my hair down the middle. Just doing one big braid. Well, two big braids, because I don't have the energy to do more than that. Okay, just like that, and my hair is nice and flat. All right, so now I'm gonna apply some Got2b on my edges. And now I'm just going to smooth my hair back. Really just want to get the edges out of the way. That gives me anxiety, so I do not do it that way. So now I'm going to go in with some foundation on my wig cap, just so that it can blend into my skin a little bit more. So now I'm gonna cut my ears out because I want right here to lay really flat against my hair. And we're doing the same thing on the other side. So I'm gonna apply a little bit of lace glue to the front of my hairline because I want this part to be really melted, and this is how I get that melted cap look. So I apply that on the front and on the sides as well. And we're gonna use some Bold Hold Lace Jelly for the rest of the areas that have nothing on it. And then we're gonna top everything off with some Got2b. Okay, so now I'm gonna put myself underneath the dryer because this needs to dry. So we're done with that right now. So here is the wig. It's really long, like really long. It's really long. This is 24 inches and the loose wave texture, and this is also a 13 by 6. So the parting is really long, which I like. I was just going for like a regular bust down middle part, and this is what I got. It looks so good. The lace is popping. Look at it. So I'm just gonna clean my skin off now with some alcohol. I cannot wait to see this hair in its natural texture, wet and wavy. It's gonna look so cute, and yeah. And I think I'm just gonna do 2 layers of glue. the glue just squirted out of the other end of the bottle. So I cannot hold it right now. But I'm using the Alonzo Arnold and Bold Hold collaboration glue. And I'm just gonna use 2 coats of this. Like, look at it. It's completely my fault though, because while I was doing a client's hair, I left the bottle right next to my hot comb and it burnt a hole in the iron. Well, it burnt a hole in the bottle. So, completely my fault. Now we're just gonna let that air dry and then go in with the second coat of whatever's left on my hand. Oh, and I don't think I mentioned it, but this wig is from WIG Hair, and yeah, it's actually a really nice wig. The lace on it looks amazing too. It's not even HD, but I just know it's gonna lay like it and just look chef's kiss. All right, so now we're gonna bring this down. Okay, I need to cut some of this off because it is bothering me. All right, so we're going to lay our wig. And we're just gonna press down on it the other side, like that. Alright, so now that we have that on, I'm gonna go ahead and clip my hair up so that I can apply an elastic band around the lace itself, just to help with the melt a little bit. Okay, while that is laying, I am going to actually start with my makeup. Alright y'all, so my face is still wet, but we're in a rush, so we gotta keep this party going, okay? Oh, it be so tight. Wow. That looks amazing, guys. Look at that. Then I'll probably have to go in and add foundation around it, and also add a little bit more glue to some areas. So for baby hairs, I'm just going to do them on the sides because that's the look I'm going for. And we're gonna have our little sideburn, of course. Now we're gonna curl them. So now I'm going to wet the hair. So hold on. Y'all see the difference? Okay, so now I'm gonna go in with some curl reviver. I'm just gonna drag this through the hair and then scrunch up like this. And then I'm gonna go in with some silk. Then some Quilly Custard by Miss Jackie's. This is going to help my curls stay nice and defined. Alright y'all, so that pretty much completes this video. Once again, this wig is from Wiggins Hair and I love the lace on this. This looks really good, nice and flawless, and you can't tell me nothing because this is coming out of my scalp, okay? So if you guys are interested in purchasing this hair, then y'all know what to do. Check the description box down below and all of their information, and also the link to this wig will be down there listed for you. And yeah, that pretty much completes it. The video is done. I look good, I feel good, and I know my pictures are gonna come out bomb because this wig is bomb, okay? Everything just looks good. The makeup, the hair, it's a vibe. So with all of that being said, before we go, today's motivational quote is, be thankful for the process that will lead you to God's promises. So with that being said, I will see you all in the next video. Bye.